Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me today is Chef Alex. Before we begin, Alex and I would like to do a quick song. So, it's Amy's birthday today. I think she turned 63.
Yeah, think about that.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 63rd birthday, Amy. Happy birthday to you. It's actually 43, but we can say that. So today we're going to do a quick video on breakfast sandwiches. You know what? I see everybody likes to go out in the morning and get their Tim Hortons or the McDonald's breakfast sandwiches on an English muffin, and they taste great. They really do. So I got an English muffin here, and we're going to make one today. And this is why it's important that we do this on our own, because if we don't,
it's much healthier making it your own.
And you get to control what goes on, and it's actually a whole lot cheaper.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, Alex, what's it cost these days for a breakfast sandwich at Tim's?
Probably like $5 or $6, maybe more.
Yeah, like seriously, like you can get this so much cheaper. So I got a pan here. It's already going. I put a little bit of mayonnaise in the bottom because I do like to have a little bit of dressing on it. Nothing major. I've got an egg. It's afternoon. Alex said he was hungry. I'm not. Alex is a grown kid and he can't stop eating.
And I didn't have breakfast yet because I slept in.
Yeah, we made him come over and celebrate Amy's birthday. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on there. That's low salt, so there's really next to no sodium. Just going to put a little pepper on there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, and of course I just turned heat on, I didn't. So I'm just going to crack the yolk because we want it to be a little runny. So when you're making your own breakfast sandwiches, you can control exactly what you're putting in it. You have 100% control. You know exactly what's going in it. You know exactly what you're going to make with it. I'm going to have a raw onion in it. Maybe you want your caramelized. You can do that. I've got some, what is this, Alex? Jalapeno,
I think Monterey Jack.
Monterey Jack, which is a great cheese. And I've got some cured ham. But if you got other sandwich meat that you'd rather use, you can do that. We're going to use some sweet chai chili, Frank's Red Hot pepper sauce in there. It's going to be great. It really is.
It's going to be really good.
And, I mean, $2 for a 6-pack of this. Your eggs. Cheese was about $6. Sandwich meat about $5. Everybody has onions lying around. Your sauces, whatever. Those are, not that expensive. They're really not. So while we're cooking this, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. It helps promote our videos. It helps more people seeing this. It doesn't take this long to make. Now, if I was smart and actually really thought to actually turn the oven on, probably be, halfway done by now. It happens. It's Monday when it actually is Monday. You want to put it around your stove around 5. Make sure you have enough grease on the pot because you need that. Break the yolk because you don't want runny yolk going through your sandwich. Kind of makes a little bit of a mess. If you're Amy, yes, you are into that kind of thing, but Alex and I are normal. We're not. Feel bad for Amy today. I had to go over to my parents' house because I had to go get some blood work done this morning. So I wasn't home, and then Alex slept in, so he didn't get out to see her until it was late. We did get some time with her. It's not as much as either one of us wanted, right?
Yeah, true.
Now, if we wanted to get like a shaper, looks like a circle, you can put it in there. It should match almost the same size as an English muffin. Those are really nice because that way you can just slip it right on there. It'll go perfectly. Now, if you want to put some lettuce on there, you can do that. You can do whatever you want. Now, that's starting to cook here. I'm going to dump just a little bit of hot sauce as this is cooking. It's not exactly hot, but
It's more tangy than hot,
Yeah.
but it's really good.
Nah, it's mostly toasted. I don't need to be completely. Don't need that. And eggs, they don't really take too long.
No, they don't. Only a couple minutes.
Now I'm just going to cut this in half because I don't want there to be a huge mess of an overlapping egg. See? And I probably put a little bit more oil in than I probably should have. Oh well, Alex does not have the issues that the rest of us have, so I'm just going to put the egg down like that. Put that in the sink because we don't need no more. And I'm telling you, man, Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili Sauce, it's the best.
Yeah, it is.
It really is. It's not super hot, not in the least, but it really does have a lot of good flavor. Now, if you wanted, you could dump the cheese on when you're cooking it. I know some places do. Not a big deal. You can do that if you want. Gonna dump that on there.
Looks really good.
How's that look, Alex?
Looks delicious.
You hungry?
Yes.
Well, buddy, that's going to be yours. So, that's your breakfast sandwich. And if you take and look at the cost per, so $2 per 6 bagel, or English muffins. I mean, that's not a lot of money. It really isn't. And you look at the price that you're paying per item, and I think we can safely say that that's going to be cheaper than a bagel or English muffin sandwich that you're going to get from Tim's.
Or McDonald's.
Or McDonald's or any other place.
Yeah.
They're not expensive to make. They're easy. There you go. So please hit that share, like, subscribe button. I hope you like this. Drop some comments and let me know what you think. Hope you like it. We'll talk to you later.